Hi, Ibrahim Ali Kamara, welcome. This is a summary and a quiz at the end of this video on part 1. So on part 1 we talk about network. What is a network? Simple network, enterprise network, network devices, how they interconnect, their functions. So I want to make a summary based on part 1. So I want us to know that when we say network, we already know network is where devices are interconnected. With these devices, they share resources. We have different devices like the switch, the router, the firewall. These are all devices interconnected. So we talk about the functions of each devices like switch. Switch forwards frames within the same LAN. Switch, we talk about some of the characteristics of the switch. Switch have a lot of interface, 24 to 48 ports. Then we talk about the routers. Routers connect two LANs. Routers help us to communicate outside. They route packet outside our network through the internet. We talk about the interface of the routers. Routers have few interface. We talk about the firewall. Firewall monitors our network, monitor our traffic that is coming inside our network and going outside our network. We talk about a lot of like this firewall thing, the switch. I know when someone by now you have already learned, when someone asks what is a network, you can able to explain what is a network, what is a switch, what is a router, what is a firewall, but we know all these things now. So I just want us to interact with this thing because learning is a daily based process. It's a consistent thing. So I'm encouraging you guys to please keep on learning. I'm always happy to help. I'm so excited doing this complete course for you guys. Please, let's keep on studying. So one thing coming in my mind is that now I want just to talk briefly on servers and clients. When you talk about a client requests for a service from the server, while server provides services or functions for a client. For an example, I'm a client. I want to get my files from a friend. When that my friend provide that files for me, I'm a client and my friend is a server. But at the same time, able to be a server and a client. How? I'm requesting for a service from my friend. My friend is providing service for me because I'm requesting and my friend is giving me the resources. Then, for example, my daughter asking me for a file, then I'm providing file for my daughter. One, I have been a server and a client. Requesting from my friend is providing me resources, and I'm providing resources for my daughter. So you'll see, so I want all you guys to know all these, the differences between server and a client is very, very important. Let's keep on studying. At the end of this, I told you that we have a quiz. So it's quiz time.
Question 1. Which appropriate network device you need when you want to connect over 25 hosts in your network? A. Firewall. B. Server. C. Router. D. Switch. E. Client. Question 2. Your company manager received documents from a customer personal computer. What was your manager's computer functioning as at that point? A. Client. B. Server. C. Router. D. Network. Question 3. Your company manager received documents from a customer personal computer. What was the customer's computer functioning as in this case? A. Client. B. Server. C. Router. D. Network. Question 4. A device that provides service for clients is called a server. True or false? A. True. B. False. Question 5. Which device monitor and control network traffic? Can be placed inside or outside the network? A. Switch. B. Router. C. Firewall. Please write down your answers in the comments below. I will check them out and take part 2 video for the answers of this quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification so you don't miss any lectures in the course.